In a tiny home where the soft lights glow lives Eddie the cat, the star of the show.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. I'm Anne. This is the adorable Eddie. Eddie, you want to say hello to everyone? Say hello to everyone, Eddie. You're so beautiful. Today's video is a very exciting one for me anyway, because I want to make this video the giveaway video. So if you've been following our journey, I think it was the last upload, I spoke about giving away some of my crochet stuff that I began crocheting. And I don't know, it just feels really good to finally give back, I guess, because I finally figured out how to create this giveaway and how to pick a random winner in the comments. Yeah, I just want to get this started because obviously this video needs to be up for a few days to collect the comments, and then I need to create the video to pick a winner and then get in contact with the winner and finally post it off. So anyway, let me show you what is in the giveaway. I didn't have time to create a cat that I wanted to, but I've decided to just collect some of the things I've already made. This giant rabbit will be in the giveaway. It's kind of heartbreaking that I'm giving it away, but I think I need to because you guys mean so much to me and this rabbit means so much to me. The two energies just go together, right? Anyway, I've just also decided to add the mushroom in the giveaway. This little yellow rabbit with the white tail. It's also got little pink cheeks, if you can see. Oh. And a few keychains. This little whale, this little pink octopus, and these little flowers. I made these 3 little flowers, but I decided to turn them into matching, like a set of 3 keychains, which I think just look adorable. I mean, you can just have these for your spare keys, right? One for your shed, one for your spare car key, one for your spare house key or whatever, and just leave them hanging like that. I mean, how adorable do they look just hanging? I don't know, they're like little house decorations. Makes me just want to create a heap and hang them across here or something. I don't know. But anyway, let me quickly put this away. Eddie, what do you think? You want to say goodbye to these? He's upside down. Might have to say goodbye to him. Yeah, you probably have about a week to spend with him, Eddie. What are you staring at Mummy like that for, huh? What are you staring at me for? You're so adorable. Anyway, I'll be back in 2 secs. As I've mentioned so many times, you guys mean so much to me, like the beautiful comments, the gifts, the donations, everything that we've experienced on this YouTube channel. The times that you guys just make me want to cry. Like I want to give back. Yeah, I mean, I'm still stuck in my own funk, but this is something I can give, is something I can share. All this is made with love, and I just want to give that love. Another thing I want to share is, because crocheting has suddenly become a part of my life, I am thinking of, well, I am going to start a store and start selling my crafts there as well. So that's going to be another new exciting update that's going to happen in the very near future, guys. Things will be priced to be affordable. If I can afford to buy something, because, you know, I don't have a lot of money either, I want people to be able to look at it and go, oh yes, I can afford that. Even though what I've learned is, like this rabbit, you know, it costed me, I mean, it took me over 5 hours to make, but I would feel bad if I was to try to sell it for more than like 39 Australian dollars or something. I mean, most of my projects, I am working for like slave labor if I really work out the time and costs of material and stuff, but I do it for the love. I mean, over time, I'll probably get a lot quicker, hopefully, and it won't feel like slave labor as much. But I don't know. I just want things to be affordable. Anyway, that's that. So when I open up the store, you're going to have to check it out. And I hope you guys love what I create. A lot of the things might be one-off items for a while, because I am having so much fun trying to create different things, trying to explore new patterns. So as I'm finding myself and what I like, I will be creating all sorts and giving you guys the opportunity to enjoy my creations, I guess. It's so damn exciting, isn't it, Eddie? Let's go back to talking about this giveaway. Anyway, all you have to do to be in the draw to win is leave me a beautiful comment like you always do. There's no difference in what you have to do. You don't have to write a certain word. You don't have to do any damn thing. And then I might give it till maybe Monday if I have free time. I will pick the winner on Monday, create the video, and then I'll leave my email address in the description of that pick a winner video. And the winner, all you have to do is contact me through that email address, and we'll talk about the shipping details and stuff like that in private and go from there. It's so damn exciting. I don't know what else I can say about it. I just want to get this rolling. One positive thing I can get from this experience as well is the cost of shipping. So because I want to create this store, I have no clue cost of shipping from Australia Post here. I know it can be expensive, especially to go overseas, but that's something I want to learn so I can add that shipping cost on my store. That way, like, I'm not losing out any more money because I already have to try to work out prices to cover transaction fees and all the things that is all new to me. I mean, I've dabbled in YouTube stuff before. I've dabbled in stores before. I've never made it a success where I've actually figured all this shipping and transaction fees and details out properly. So, and back then I think I totally just ripped myself off and never made many sales anyway. I've always been interested in this stuff. It's just, I don't know, nothing has worked out for me. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully crochet is it. By the way, because I'm experimenting with new crochet ideas, do you like my crochet earrings I made yesterday? I mean, jewelry could become a part of the store as well, not just plushies. And I really want to learn to make like coasters and like washcloths and stuff with, like, 100% cotton wool. Just, so many ideas. I just want to create. It just gets me so damn excited. I'm rambling. Anyway, Eddie, you're leaving. Eddie, you want to say goodbye before you leave? Eddie wants to leave. I'll put you down this way, but you got to say goodbye to everyone on the way. Mwah. Goodbye. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, that's right. So if you want to be in the draw to win all this stuff, it's actually a fair bit. I don't know if I can hold them all that. I've bought stuff to pack the items already, except for the shipping bag, of course, because I don't know if someone in Australia is going to win or someone overseas is going to win. But I'm just going to go before I ramble too much. I feel really excited about this. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And the reason you guys mean so much to me, to be honest, just let me just ramble some more, is because when I created this channel, I never expected it to be what it is now. Even though it hasn't really grown since the first 2 weeks, it's actually gotten smaller. I'm so grateful for the people that have been here from the very beginning of my journey. I've gone back to watch some of my old videos just to find out, certain things like while I'm renovating, like what things used to look like, or who sent me what gifts or whatever. And when I go back to look on those videos, I cringe. It's like, wow, like even as a creator, video creator or whatever, I've changed so much since then. And yeah, just for the fact that you guys followed me in my cringy moments to this point, it means everything. And I watch back and I see myself cry and remember the reasons you guys made me cry and stuff. And it means the world, because I created this channel to virtually just be myself. And the reason I did that was because at the time I cut a lot of close people out of my life because I was simply getting attacked for being me, and I felt like I wasn't allowed to be free, to express myself, and to be the loving person that I know I am. People kind of made me out to be something I wasn't. So coming on YouTube was a way to feel free, I guess, and I never expected the love to come back in return, and it sure did. Yeah, if I didn't do that back then, I wouldn't have found you guys, and it means the world to me, you know, because of that reason. Anyway, one part of my family on the outside world, you know, had to leave my life to have this YouTube family come into my life and give me all the things that I never had, you know, and it means everything. And this is the reason why I want to do this giveaway. And I'm going to leave. I'm rambling way too much. Love you guys. Can't wait to create the, you know, the winners video and yeah, go from there. Anyway, thanks for everything. Bye.